Well, boys, I got the stand all made. Made a little bit of progress today. That fucking pump was fucked to get out of there. Holy lifting. Yes, terrible. But it's out. It's out. Everything looks fucking really good so far. And I think I found the problem already. I gotta double check and research it a bit. This is a little piece of shrapnel right here. Broke off. That's supposed to be like over there. That hunk of metal went through her. Hopefully I can get in this a little bit further. I pulled out the one steel already. Where the fuck is it? A bit of a cunt to get into. It all looks really good. They're not burnt up or fuck all. So, with that being said, with that snap ring being broken, depending where it went, I might be able to fuck that stand is back together, but I'm not. All the fucking steels and the fucking bands all look fucking, or not the bands, fuck. Yeah, I can't remember the name of them. They fucking look good. So I don't know. I don't want to get too carried away because it's Sunday right now. And I don't really have much room so far. I gotta set up a nice big bench. Maybe a portable table of some sort where I could fucking store everything nicely. Like even the fucking bearings are rolling nice. Like down here, really nice shape. The pump was a cunt to get out. I didn't need to make my tool, special tool or anything. And I don't like how it sits on the stand. Like, she's fucking... So I'm going to lay it back down in between working on it. But no, I just wanted to give you an update on the pump. Oh, fuck. And, I don't know. So I'm going to reassemble a bit of this and lay her back down and start at it again. And I will keep everybody updated between working on the Ford and this fucking thing and the 82, an angry neighbor. Fuck. It's time consuming, boys. It's time consuming. And it all takes money, right? Which I don't have. But like I said, everything in the fucking valve body looks really nice. Like everything besides being dirty. Yeah. Fucking right. When I am, like I say, going to get it with the die grinder, clean up any sharp edges. I'm going to take a sharpening stone and go over this. Flatten it out nice. But yeah. So we're moving it. We're making progress, boys. We're making progress. Anyway, this is just a short video. Sorry. Like I said, I'm going to reassemble what I got out so far. And fucking, I'll keep everybody updated. Like, share, and subscribe.